now. Founders, as you know, the meeting today is moved till tomorrow. That's always a good thing, trust me. I'd like to congratulate and welcome to all the new founders that joined up yesterday and this morning. Frat, way to go. Got a few more. Keep that going. I'm letting you guys know that soft launch is, well, let's put it this way. The price is going to go up. The price is going to go up. I'm trying to get you now that $97, all right, which is guaranteed back at any time. So I wouldn't hesitate. A lot of you guys sent the links out. You got to check your email for GoFounders, your invite link. And check your junk mail too, because some of them are going to junk mail. And that's important because if you delete that, you got to use another email, a unique email per person. All right. You can buy as many positions as you want. All right. You just got to use different emails. I myself have bought quite a few, and I've gifted quite a few. I took care of my family, some friends. All right, to get them in this so we can change their lives. Big things are happening right now in Onpassive, where they redesigned the new website at onpassive.com. I'm not sure that's up yet, but it's coming real soon here. That's huge. Founders, check your back office. Excuse me. Check your back office under Leadership Council or webinars. There's a good 2 o'clock webinar today with Marina Favit. And it'll also give you, not yet, but soon, the time of when the meeting is going to be on Friday. I'm assuming it's going to be at 2 o'clock because of the times all over the world. People got to get up at 4 in the morning and stuff like that. So they brought it used to be at 4, now it's at 2 to make it easier on the other parts of the world so they can actually attend these things. Hey Charles, how you doing? Beth Ann, how you doing? I've got a little information here. The only people that you're going to be mad at, I share this every day because I want you to get into it. Hey Sam, the people that you're going to be mad at are the people that are telling you, no, this is a scam. I hate saying that word, all right? Because when you see this launch to the world, all right, you're going to be mad at those people. I mean, you're going to be mad at them because you have no idea how much this is going to change your life and your outcome. So think about that for a second. If someone tells you this is not what I say it is, I'm going to honestly tell you they're wrong. All right? I don't want anyone to be mad at anybody, but I want you to just think about that for a second. All right? I'm going to share this and share this and share this, and I'm going to keep sharing it to get you guys involved in this. You become a founder today, and this actually gives you another day because it was supposed to be at 2 today. You become a founder today, you can get in on that meeting and see what's actually going on with the CEO, which is pretty cool. Sometimes they're pretty long, but if you miss it, they record them. They also write them out. Excuse me. They have we have people in this family that are hard of hearing. They're blind. We have ways for every one of them to be able to read and hear the webinars and get involved. So you'd be amazing how diverse this company is. You know, I watched the news a little bit last night. Hey, Jim and Robert Oates. I watched the news a little bit last night, and it's nothing but depressing to me. All I see is dividing. And I won't talk about politics on here because I think it's killing America and the world. But one thing, the greatest thing that's in my life right now is not only my family, but my Onpassive family. All right? You get in this, you don't worry about all that other stuff that's going on. All right? Onpassive is going to build you something sensational. You're not going to worry about what they say on the news. All right? Let them do what they got to do. Don't let it affect your life. Don't let it make you hate more because there's too much hate out there. Onpassive is nothing but love. It's a heart bigger than anything out there. So I'm going to put a link on this, guys. Click on it. A lot of founders out there, if they share this, ask a PM them you're interested in getting in. But I'm letting you know right now, guys, the price is going to go up. It's $97 right now. Guaranteed back. You can't lose on that, guys. If you come in and you don't see what I'm saying, the excitement of it, and how big it's going to be, you just ask for your $97 back. It's a win-win situation there. So many people and the Onpassive family every day share things like I do, or they get on a live, or they have them on YouTubes. Check those out, you know? Check those out. Don't listen to negative people. Get with a family and a company that's nothing but positive, all right? I mean, nothing but positive. There's no drama in this family. That's the great thing about it. Anyone that works, that's working right now, you know about the drama. You know about all the drama at work. Now get away from that. All right? Get your time back. That's what Onpassive's going to do for you. It's going to get your time back. In a couple years, all right, all you're going to be thinking about is how can I help somebody else out? That's what Onpassive is about. All right? Get out. Hi, Julie. Once you get it, Julie's on here, julieandmilo.com. Got to throw a plug out to them. Like I said, they're interviewing almost every founder we have to hear their story, and it's pretty cool. She also has Fridays, Friday night chats. We all get on there and we have a lot of fun. It's pretty cool. Julie often shows the ocean where she's in California at night. Give us some inspiration, and it's pretty cool because everyone knows I love the ocean and the water. So check out julieandmilo.com. It's pretty cool. You might see some faces on there that you recognize, but share this, guys. Keep sharing it. That's what it's all about. Onpassive is here to help you. Onpassive is here to change the wealth of the world. Onpassive is here. It's a done deal. And every founder, well, we won. We already know we won. Right now, it's about changing your life. And the only way for me to help change your life is to sign up. Get in this amazing family. You will be blown away by what the CEO has done for us. And it's kind of hard to put into words. You just got to see what this guy's all about. All right, it's nothing but good. I suggest anyone to check it out. Check out artificial intelligence, what it's doing, what it's going to do, how big it really is. Because a lot of you don't understand that. All right, the future of the internet and the world is artificial intelligence. Here you have a company with 50, we say portfolios, products, all under one roof. All right, that's like 50 companies in one. You cannot go wrong with this, guys. And the only thing you're going to regret is you didn't sign up. Because when it launches, even when we go on a soft launch here soon, I'm going to be a lot more crazier. So I suggest you get in this. Don't listen to that negative person. Let that negative person keep working. Because in 2 years, 3 years, you're going to say bye-bye to that job. And you could personally go up to that person and give them a hug and a handshake and tell them keep working. All right? Like I said, 30 years or 2 to 3 years. It's your choice. But you have to make that choice. All right? I guarantee you will not regret it. I promise you will not regret it. Get back with anyone that shares this video. PM them, like I said. I'm going to keep repeating myself. Big meeting tomorrow. It was postponed today till tomorrow. So you can actually see the meeting live, you know, if you're not working, but they do record them. They do actually write them out, which is really cool. And you go from there. Peter Shore's on here, Julie, Beth, any one of these people out there. You see names on there? You see their comments? Those are founders. So if you know these people, all right, sign up with them. All right, I don't care if you don't sign up with me. Sign up with them. It's all about changing you guys. All right, that's really what it's all about. But Frap, keep going. All right, get with Beth, Joanna Williams, Lisa. Just check it out, guys. You're not gonna lose anything. You're gonna do nothing but gain. Remember, Onpassive is gonna guarantee you success. All right, and they're gonna do everything for you, which is pretty awesome. But don't be afraid. All right, $97 is guaranteed back, guys. It is guaranteed back. You are going to be joining the biggest, beautiful company in the world. All right, and it's the most diverse country in the world. It doesn't matter who you are, what you look like, what color you are, what your religion is. We're all a big happy family. So get out there. I got some things I got to do today. 2 o'clock webinar for the founders out there. Check your back office. That's with Marina Favit. Check out anything you can on Onpassive. Not just from me. There's a lot. We got over 500,000 people that joined up. Like I said, 3,000 people a day are joining up because they know what's coming. And if you have issues or problems in your life, let's let Onpassive help you change that. All right, let's let Onpassive help you change that. All right, like I said, you join, keep doing what you're doing. Don't change what you're doing. Let this happen. And 2 to 3 years down the line, you are going to be extremely happy, and then you start helping people out. That's the greatest thing about it. So I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. It's cold in Michigan again. We're not lucky like Julie on that California coast. It's not so warm there either, I'm hearing. So, but hey, Rob, everyone just check it out.